Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing the ultimate smoky eye makeup look. Bold, sultry, and perfect for a night out. I'll also be reviewing some must-have products to help you achieve a flawless, long-lasting smoky eye. Let's get started. First, we need to prep the eyes with a long-lasting base. Apply an eyeshadow primer to ensure the colors blend smoothly and stay in place all night. My go-to? Eyeshadow primer name. It's a game changer, prevents creasing, and makes those pigments pop. Next, let's create some depth with black, brown, or gray eyeshadow. Start by blending a soft brown or taupe shade into the crease as a transition color. Then, gradually build up a deeper shade, black, brown, or gray, to intensify the look. I love using eyeshadow palette name for this, so pigmented and blendable. Now pack a darker shade on the outer corner. Apply a deep black or dark brown shade on the outer V for more drama. Blend well to avoid any harsh lines. Trust me, matte black eyeshadow name is perfect. Intense pigment with minimal fallout. Time for the smoky effect. Use a creamy black eyeliner along the upper and lower lash lines. Smudge it out using a small blending brush for a soft, sultry effect. Smudgeable black eyeliner name is long-lasting and smudges beautifully. To amp up the drama, apply false lashes. Choose full, wispy lashes to complement the bold eye look. Don't forget volumizing mascara to blend your natural lashes with the falsies. False lashes name and mascara name are my faves, volume without the weight. For balance, keep the lips soft and neutral. Since the eyes are bold, opt for a nude or soft pink lipstick. Use a lip liner to define the lips for a polished finish. Nude lipstick name and lip liner name will keep your lips looking fabulous all night. And that's the final look. A smoky eye never goes out of style, perfect for nights out or special events. Let me know in the comments if you'd rock this look and which product was your favorite. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more makeup tutorials. See you next time.